So you do like Manhattan then?
Yeah, it's home now. Can't complain. It's like kind of stressful, so I come back up here when I can. The only downside of coming uptown or upstate rather is I just like get lazy and I get fat and it's just like I don't know what it is about up here. It's like I don't take care of myself as much for whatever reason. Down there it's ruthless.
Because you're always walking around a lot too.
Always walking around. You know, there's always a girl around the corner. You never know.
That's it. That's it.
Yeah. Are you still with that one girl?
No, I broke up with her back in the springtime.
No, good for you. Focus on the craft.
Yeah. It is what it is.
What updates have you made to this place since last year?
I'm trying to think, since you were here, we got a couple new things like the display case over here.
Yeah, the chair. I saw you.
The chairs,
you
yeah.
picked those up where? Pennsylvania or something?
These chairs, I picked these up in Baltimore, Maryland.
Okay, yeah.
Baltimore, yeah. Me and my brother Harrison went down and picked them up.
How's the family? Everyone good?
Yeah, they're doing good.
Good holiday?
Pretty good. Yeah, we can't complain. What about you guys and your sister and your mother?
Not too bad. Yeah, everyone was there. You know, it's all you really need. I'm not a huge holiday guy, but my sister and my mother live for it, so my dad's the same way as me, so we kind of just show up, do our part, and clean up at the end.
Do you still have to do anything with the Marine Corps? Or?
It's so funny you said that. It was like last week I got an email saying I had to like go to Vermont for muster. I was like, that is not happening. There's no way I'm going to Vermont. I'm not from Vermont. I'm a million miles away from Vermont. And I told the guy, I was like, dude, I'm not coming. I have like 7 months left on my inactive reserve stuff, so. And he's like, yeah, I feel you, man. No worries. But other than that, no. But with my company, one of our clients is the federal government, so I could be back with the feds, just in a different fashion. Like the Army is one of our clients, and Marine Corps is a client, which is kind of crazy.
Jeez.
It's like working with them, but in a different capacity.
Yeah. I love the Marines.
It could be hilarious to just walk on a Marine Corps base, not in a uniform. Are you still looking for help around here?
Somewhat. Yeah, I'm always looking for help, but...
Colby's not around anymore?
Oh, I think he got a job working at a gym.
Fitness or something?
Fitness, yeah. My brother Harrison, he moved back to New York.
Yeah. What's he up to?
He's just working on his music.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he's got a studio and he's focusing on
Dave got engaged.
What'd you say? Oh, Dave, yeah.
Yeah, isn't that weird?
Yeah, it is something. Yeah, your cousin, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
I had to talk to him for so long.
Dave Gooch, yeah, he's a good kid.
Yeah. He's one of my best friends growing up.
You guys play football together?
Yeah.
What was your team?
We were Charlotte. Charlotte Crusaders, through and through.
So you might be going to that wedding too then.
I don't know, man. I haven't talked to him so long. I doubt I'll get an invite, to be honest with you. That's how long it's been.
Maybe right.
You're going, right?
I hope so. I think I am.
Yeah, we'll just crash it. You won't mind.
Yeah, I probably will.
Really depends on what's going on with work.
So when are you heading back to New York?
Sunday.
Taking a train?
Yeah, I hate it. So I've been taking the Metro North at a non-fixed up to 50. That's like a whole thing now.
Wow.
I have Poughkeepsie. I don't like being in cars too much. Oh, you know what? Another update in my life. You know 3M, the company?
No, I'm trying to think.
Huge manufacturer of all a whole bunch of nonsense. Anyways, they sold from like 2011 to 2015. They sold the military faulty hearing protection knowingly.
Okay.
Yeah, so me and a bunch of people who have hearing loss So it was like a class action lawsuit against him.
Okay, yeah, I remember you telling me about this a couple years ago.
I just got an audiogram the other day, and you remember Cody Shaw?
That's not ringing a bell, no. Was he
One of my
with?
friends that I grew up with, he does audiograms in Albany, and I just happened to be in the neighborhood. I was like, yeah, kind of just wanted audiogram. I'm suing them. Not that I care about the money or anything, but it's worth getting it really checked out. And I get in there, he goes, dude, you have not the best hearing anymore. He's like, your hearing's not good. So he fits me for a hearing aid, and it was like the weirdest sensation ever.
Wow.
Being able to hear actually what I'm supposed to be hearing.
Jeez.
So I put it in and I hear this beeping. Like, dude, like, this is messed up. Like, I can hear beeping, and he like goes on the computer to check it out. And he listens for a second, he goes, dude, that's a cash register. You probably haven't been able to hear it in years. And that's what it was. Just like in the cash register.
So you'll be wearing almost like hearing aids, that kind of thing?
Yeah, I'm not in love with the idea, but
You can hear better, that's great.
Yeah.
And other guys that were over there with you too will be able to...
No, yeah, they're very subtle too. But I was like, dude, I can hear it fine. I can hear everyone. Like, I have conversations. Dude, yeah, but that's your brain like adjusting to everything. Like, usually you can hear me fine, you can hear your friends fine, your mother, but like, it's because you've known everyone for like 10 plus years or 20 plus years, so you're good. So like, you meet somebody new and they have an unfamiliar voice, you're gonna have trouble, and I bet you have had trouble. And it was a huge issue at work. Like, I couldn't even be in client-facing meetings anymore.
Jeez.
Yeah, but they can't fire me. It's a bad look for them.
Yeah, there's only good Marines out there.
Yeah. You got a lot of vets coming in here?
Yeah, we do get some older vets, but we get some guys active. You know AJ Burak.
Yeah, no, AJ.
Yeah, we used to get Marines in here. Actually, I got a sticker over here if you want one. It's a Marine Corps sticker.
I love a good sticker.
I ordered a bunch of them.
How long you have this pup for?
Probably about 8 months now.
Nice. Killing it over there.
Yeah, he enjoys it. He sleeps most of the day here.
You still driving that Lincoln?
No, I got a Chevy truck right now.
You driving a truck?
Oh, yeah, SUV.
Nice.
It runs good. I've been driving to New York quite a bit.
How do you like that?
I like it. It's safe and it's comfortable.
Seems like every time I come up here, the weather's not so great. Like, for Thanksgiving, that was the first time I drove in like 3 or 4 years.
Really?
Yeah, I was like, I had to go somewhere. And it was just pouring out, and it was at night, and like, this is not the best time for me to be driving over here.
No, I like driving it. Just any chance I can sit down for a little while, I enjoy it.
What kind of sneaks you got on?
Right now, I'm just wearing Nike Air Max.
I guess like putting a pad like below this would be kind of like annoying.
Yeah, I tried one of those for a while, but it was almost even more strenuous because it was like standing on a platform.
Yeah. It's like bouncing in the city, like you have to wear like dress shoes or something at certain places, and your ankles and your calves and everything is killing it from the day.
Dress shoes, yeah.
Concrete with like leather shoes.
Yeah, no, my legs, they don't bother me at all at the end of the day.
So glad that part of my life is over then.
You're working on Water Street?
No, I opted out of continuing with that contract, so I'm just waiting for my next project. That should come somewhere in mid-January, I think. They're sending me to a course downtown Manhattan. It's called Loan IQ. It's like a new way for banks to kind of share the loan process.
Okay.
Kind of like So instead of one firm taking control of all that liability, they'll split it up amongst other banks just to kind of spread out the risk. And there's a full program to like how they do that. So I'm just gonna go over this course and learn that. Nothing I'm overly interested in, but what are you gonna do? Gotta pay the bills.
Yeah. It's nice living in Manhattan, though.
Yeah, I know, not too bad.
Especially around Christmas time.
Yeah, I just found out I have 8 months left on my GI Bill. So I can go get my MBA for free.
Wow. Did you go to any Marine Corps balls this year? Or?
No. I hung out with my friends. We had like a couple beers, but I'm trying to stay away from the sweets and the sugar. And I got up to a really big weight, like 230, and then before I went to Europe, I wanted to lose a bunch of weight just so I'd look good out in the summer. And I got down to like 175, which I haven't weighed since like my freshman year of high school.
Wow.
Yeah, so that was the whole thing. You know, got carried away with that. Headed it with myself. So I have to like kind of ease back sometimes.
I got a shave back here. Now, would you like any product?
No, I'm alright. I'm going around.
All right. Shave back here, great.
It's funny actually that Andre came in. We were at it was Thanksgiving. You know how they do that thing at the bowling alley on Thanksgiving Eve or whatever?
Yes, yeah.
So I went to that, and I'd never heard of it in my life. But I went to it, and I'm outside hanging out with my friend, and Andre looks at me, and I'm looking at him, I'm like, yo, you look really familiar. He goes, you're Wally, right? I was like, yo, you're Andre. And we haven't seen each other since like, probably like 8 or 10 years old. 8 to 10 years old at Cal Ripken at Isabel's Field.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was the craziest thing.
Yeah, that was a good time.
Yeah, that was so long ago. Time's moving quick. You're a local business owner.
Yeah. Doesn't take much.
No? You don't think so? It's a big deal. You're living the American dream.
That'd be different if you were in Manhattan, though.
Oh yeah, I'd pay $800 for this haircut. Too much.
Where do you get your haircut in New York?
I just recently got fed up with one place, so I got into it with the guy because he just was very rude. He didn't give me a great haircut. It was just like, not that I care. It's like, you don't have to give me the best haircut in the world. Just make it look okay. And he was, one of those, I don't know if he's Russian or something. He was like very aggressive. He just came over. He was a new hire from Russia, and he was very rude. And the owner who I've been getting my haircut at his place for 4 years now, he didn't back me up at all. So I was like, all right, dude, I'm out. So there's I actually forgot the place, but I went once. And it was okay, nice young kid, gave me a haircut, and, what's the place that you go to?
I used
Frank's,
to,
right?
yeah, Frank's in the Lower East Side. That's where I worked. Yeah, you should check that place out. They always do good haircuts, every single one of them.
Yeah,
They're all different types of guys, and they workers from Japan. And
all right,
last time I was in there, I got a hot shave. It was my sister's birthday
all right.
from a kid who was working here from New Zealand.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he had a real strong accent.
Yeah.
He was good. Just put a little on it.
Yeah.
It almost sounded like he was from England.
Yeah, you can never tell.
He was a nice guy, though. He really took his time.
I'm trying to go there, back to Europe this spring, just for vacation.
To New Zealand?
No, New Zealand. No, my cousin just went there on her honeymoon. There's nothing really over there. If you like pretty sights, which I do, but it's a lot of countryside.
Yeah.
I live in, you know, 400. Perfect as always.
Alright. You think about the
Perfect.
tapered
Love
it.
Yeah, looks good.
Alright, well.
Love it. My mother said hi, by the way.
Oh yeah, tell us that too. Alright. Thanks,
How are
man.
you these days?
I see you.
Nice seeing you.
Just be